Go to see the sunset view of Tokyo today. It's almost the sunset time already, by the way. And there's no time to say I'm on my XSR155 for a long time, you know. So let's just ride today. Let's just bike life in Tokyo. See my YouTube. And to the Tokyo's main expressway called C1. I think you might have already seen this on the racing game or something like that. Because here is so famous highway in Japan, which was really beautiful scenery. I do love this. We are getting into the metropolitan city Shinjuku, which we are going to through from now, and we can see the Shibuya metropolitan city on the right. But what the number of cars? Because here's so many great corners right here. So this expressway is really famous for the racing games. And I think we can see a great sunset from Tokyo Bay. The traffic is not so good for speeding by the, you know, this is 155cc, really much for the environment of Tokyo. So this is really good speed. I don't know why. Here's a little concession. Can you see this great sunset in the right mirror? On the train, full of people, density. This is the time for rush hour form. And I think this condition is for the baseball game. Here is a famous baseball stadium on the other side of this park. and here is really heavy condition again. Beautiful building views around Tokyo. It looks so great. You know, we have so many reclaimed islands around the bay side of Tokyo, so we can see many beautiful views. The sunset is going down to the Tokyo's mainland on such a futuristic scenery of the highway. Okay, and this is a so beautiful sky. Wow. Wow, that is so great.